Hi guys, I'm Abdul Aleem Shekhani, Pakistan's oldest aquaponicer, and this is my banana tree, growing in Pakistan's longest running aquaponics system, one of the largest in the country. Aquaponics is a soilless growing method that symbiotically and organically produces plants and fish at the same time while using 10% of the water, 10% of the space, and removing all labor of weeding, tilling, fertilizing, and watering your plants, as well as changing the water for your fish forever. I've created a fantastic course on studynow.pk. You can check it out below, where I will teach you all of the tips, tricks, and super neat lessons learned that I've gathered over 10 years of doing this. And check me out on YouTube at Abdul Aleem Shekhani, and check out the whole journey over there, or register today at studynow.pk. This is not going to be an ordinary YouTube tutorial or just a video that you have to follow along with. It will be a personalized course that makes sure that I see you watching this video, you are going to be ready to leave the meeting and go out and start aquaponicking. I'll see you there. Bye.